Welcome back to my character elimination series.
Seems, the Superbots lost. Let's go to the Elimination Center. Hello contestants, I'm Rainbow Star, as you know Wilton's Season 2 champ, and I will be your prize hander. Let's announce the prize votes. The person who wins the prize was, Villager. He gets a Nintendo Switch. Now the elimination votes. Everybody except Inkworth and Albania are safe with 0 votes, and Inkworth and Albania have 3 votes. So let's see at the wheel who will stay at the game. I'm sorry Inkworth, you're now eliminated, so you're out.
Oh no. I was so close to the merge. But there it's another Power Ranger character, which it's Dinobot. Goodbye guys, see you all at the finale.
Our next stop is Taj Mahal, India. Enjoy your flight. Welcome to Taj Mahal, India. Your next challenge is a Nerf gunfight. The contestant need to shoot another contestant. The contestant who shoot most contestants, wins. Ready? Go! It looks like Slasher shoot the most contestants with a Nerf gun, so he wins, and anybody else are up for elimination. Vote for anybody who should be eliminated and who to win a prize. The next prize hander it's Red Velvet Cookie. Voting ends at February 4th at 8 a.m.